In this video, I'm going to compare GitHub Copilot versus Gemini Code Assist. Tell pros and cons, tell the features, and tell you which one actually fits you better. So let's go. By the way, I've tested both on everything from small Python scripts to massive enterprise projects, and I've dug into user reports and benchmarks, so you don't have to. Let's jump in. Let's start with performance. Copilot is lightning fast. You type and within seconds, it generates context-aware suggestions. Gemini, it can take over 10 seconds sometimes. Now, speed isn't everything. Gemini has a secret weapon. Its massive context window. It can analyze up to 1 million tokens, 2 million if you're on enterprise, which makes it incredible for understanding large code bases. So here's the takeaway. If you need quick iteration, bug fixes, and snappy responses, Copilot keeps you in flow. If you're working on giant complex projects where context matters more than speed, Gemini is the safer bet. But speed is just one side of the story. What about the features you will actually use every single day? This is where things get really interesting. Copilot can autocomplete entire functions, switch between different AI models like GPT-5, Cloudy, Gemini itself, and it even has an agent mode that runs tests and purposes edit across multiple files. It's built for speed and precision, so experienced developers can keep coding without constant interruptions. Gemini, on the other hand, is your tutor. It gives detailed, step-by-step explanations alongside its code for beginners. That's like having a mentor sitting next to you. Plus, its smart actions can fix errors, generate unit tests, and even spin up APIs. So if you want consistent production-ready code, Copilot's your best friend. But if you're learning a new language or framework, or if you want your AI to explain itself, Gemini feels like documentation built into your IDE. Now, features are great, but they only matter if the tool actually fits into your workflow. So let's talk about ecosystems. Copilot is deeply tied into GitHub and Microsoft tools. It works beautifully in VS Code, JetBrains, and even helps write pull request description and code reviews directly inside GitHub. If your team already lives in GitHub repos, Copilot is no-brainer. Gemini, however, is tailor-made for Google's ecosystem, Firebase, BigQuery, Google Cloud, and etc. It's all built in. If you're developing mobile apps with Firebase or scaling infrastructure on Google Cloud, Gemini saves hours of integration work. Bottom line is don't fight or stack. Pick the tool that lives where you already work. But here's the twist, the price tag. Which one actually gives you more bang for your buck? Copilot is cheaper for individuals, $10 a month, and it's free if you're a student, teacher, or open source maintainer. Gemini, on the other hand, is more expensive for enterprise at $19 per user per month, but its free tier is insanely generous, up to 180,000 code completion per month and 240 chat message per day. For solo devs, that's huge. If you're an indie developer, Gemini's free plan will give you the most mileage. If you're a professional in GitHub ecosystem, Copilot's $10 plan is unbeatable. And finally, what do real developers actually say after using these tools day to day? Copilot is praised for its speed and how seamlessly it integrates into your workflow. Developers love that it doesn't get in the way, it just works. Gemini, on the other hand, is valued for its detailed explanation. Beginners love it, but more experienced devs sometimes find it too verbose and a bit slow. So ask yourself this, do you want an invisible assistant that keeps you moving or a visible tutor that explains everything? So here's the final verdict. Choose GitHub Copilot if you want speed, accuracy, and a smooth integration with GitHub and VS Code. It's best fit for most developers, especially professionals who value efficiency. Choose Gemini Code Assist if you are in Google's ecosystem, handling massive code bases, or if you want a free, detailed AI assistant that doubles as a teacher. Most people think these tools are clowns, but in reality, they're built for totally different workflows. Now, if you want fast and polished, Copilot is better, or detailed and generous, Gemini is better. So this is it. Thanks for watching this video.